which in all seriousness may have to come back off. I'm not 100% sure on that, but. Hi, and welcome back. Tonight's video is probably kind of short. Getting out of here late for me now, but just want to split the tailgate in half and get the section that has a Ford emblem embossed on it, get that side all stripped down. That's about all I'm going to do tonight. Like I said, it's 9 o'clock, and I know in the past I've been out here till 1 or 2 in the morning, but things changed, so actually I'm getting to get to bed early. So we'll take the half tailgate, grind the paint off it. Hopefully everything's good. I did notice one spot that we still need to plug on the back of the tailgate. There's another hole kind of further towards the passenger side that we'll have to fill. And then once we get that filled, we'll fill in the other hole, backside the hole that was in the center of the tailgate, get all that grinded back down, and we'll repaint all that, flip it back up, finish sanding the rest of it, and hopefully get some of that self-etching green on there. But let's get over there and I'll show you what I mean. As you can see, I got my premium lighting out here again. Don't know if I showed too much last time since my camera was dying, but these didn't turn out too terrible. So we got a little bit more to do on this one, and on the back side needs some work, and the other one hole was kind of over here, but on the rounded part on the inside. But tonight, I think I'm just gonna take it halfway of the store handle here, try to get all this taken off, and if I get all that done, it'll be a pretty good day. If it goes easy, then we may start coming this way with it. But I need to take this whole thing off, and that way we can paint behind it. Anyways, let's get up there and get to work. Well, we got half of the tailgate done. And my back is killing me again. I'll leave that half for next time. I couldn't get in here real good with a little grinder with the wire wheel, so I thought I'd try some of that stripping gel. Maybe that'll take it out kind of easy through there. Overall, it looks pretty good. Eventually I'm gonna take this out and just replace this completely. But I thought I had a rust hole right here, but nothing went through. But so far so good. Like I said, next time we'll take this off and sand this. We may even take the tail ends out and that little bracket and sand all that down. Because we need to paint this all the way up here as well. But yeah, it looks pretty good, I think. I think it'll look a lot better once we get a coat of paint on it. Or at least that etching primer. Which in all seriousness may have to come back off. I'm not 100% sure on that, but I don't think I can put epoxy primer over that stuff. I think it has to be like urethane or something. I'm not too sure. If any of y'all know, please let me know. Well, that's it for this evening. See you next time.